Annyeong, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make noodles in cold soybean soup, Kongguksu. It's a signature cold noodles in Korea. Especially people eat this in summer to cool down. But the sad thing is the original recipe takes too much time, about more than 6 hours to soak the beans in water, and it's too hot to stand in front of the stove to boil the beans. You know, it's getting hotter these days and no one wants to sweat during cooking. So I brought the easier way. You can make it just in 10 minutes. Do you want to know a secret? Okay, then let's set the table. First, I'm gonna use tofu instead of boiled soybeans. As you know, tofu is made of beans, so it has a similar taste. Cut the tofu in half and put them in a blender. And pour the almond milk. You can use milk instead of almond milk, but I prefer to use this to add a nutty and rich taste. Then add some nuts you have. I'm gonna add toasted sesame seeds and pine nuts. If you don't have these, you can put peanuts or almonds. After that, add sugar and salt. You can season it after blending. Okay, then let's blend. Control the time depending on your blender's power. The consistency should be like a smoothie. Then keep this soup cool and let's boil the noodles. Pour enough water in the pot and when it boils, put noodles. Stir them to keep the noodles from sticking together. When it boils over, then pour a half cup of cold water. Repeat this 3 to 4 times. It's gonna take about 4 minutes. Wash the noodles in cold running water many times to remove starch. Wash noodles by rubbing them together like wash laundry. Place the noodles in a strainer. During the time, prepare the garnish. Cucumber, boiled egg, and tomato are common garnish for this noodle. Slice the cucumber thinly and cut egg and tomato in half. Place the noodles in a bowl and pour the cold bean soup. And garnish with cucumber, egg, and tomato. Add some ice cubes if you want. So, did you catch the secret? Yeah, tofu and almond milk. With this, you can make savory and creamy soybean soup in a short time. Okay, let me taste. First, egg. It's so creamy. Wow, it's amazing. It's so tasty. Then let me taste noodles. Wow. See? It's very creamy. Yeah. And kimchi. It's so delicious. It's creamy, savory, and nutty, and it makes me cool down. That's why it's a perfect noodle soup for the hot weather. It's so good. Actually, when I eat noodle soup, I don't drink all the soup because it's too salty. But when I eat kongguksu, it's a different story. It's not salty and it's very nutritious, and especially it's rich in protein. It's so tasty. Ice cube. Today I made kongguksu. You can make it easily at home. If you like this recipe, then thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can find more recipes for Korean cuisine. See you next time. Bye. 안녕.